Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week, we're going to take you out to the USS Orleck, where they're having their second annual Pearl Harbor Remembrance Day car show. We went out to this car show when they had the inaugural one, so it was a good show then. It was an even better show this year. They had more cars this year. The weather was a little bit nicer. Marginally. But anyway, you know, it's kind of a mixed bag for December in Florida. It's either rainy and cold or sunny and mild. We kind of got a little bit of both on this one. But anyway, we still went out. We checked out the car show. This is going to be the pole cam. We actually set up a pole cam to catch the cars as they were coming in and paying their registration. So I don't know how many cars we got on that. We weren't there for a long time. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy the video, don't forget to give us a like, a comment, subscribe, share it around to your friends. Do all the YouTubey things that make them happy and make channels grow. We're trying to grow our channel like everybody else. So any help you'd be would be great. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Now let's get on to the car show and let's rev it up for that car show. There you go. It was muted.
treat you in so many ways. All kinds of stuff. Go check him out. CJWinter137@gmail.com. And link. Also, we got Model Creations Unlimited. Model Club. Other people that enjoy this great hobby. Great way to show off your models and learn new techniques from other modelers. Model Creations Unlimited meets on the first and third Tuesday of the month, starting from 6 to 8 p.m. at Regency Square Library or University Park Branch. Check the Model Creations.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the USS Orleck second annual Pearl Harbor Day Remembrance Car Show. We had a great time out at this car show. It was even bigger than the first year. Some unusual cars came out, some stuff we hadn't seen before. And it was a good show. We really enjoyed it. It was a good show for a good a thing to remember Pearl Harbor Day and all that stuff. Not that you want to say you're celebrating that, but you want to memorialize it. So we got to do that, and it was a great way to do it. Anyway, so that's going to be that for that car show. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, comment, share. Do all the YouTubey things that make it happy, make the channels grow, and then anyway, we're at 319 subscribers, so we are well over halfway, but we've kind of started crawling our way to 500. we've hit a slow patch. We pick up one a week. It seems like lately, which I mean that's fine. I'd like to pick up more, but it's it's the whole thing. I know we're headed into a slow period, so anyway, I thank all my subscribers. I love all you guys. You guys make it happen. I wouldn't be out here going to all these car shows and doing all these videos and making all this content if it wasn't for you guys watching the videos. So, thank you. And anyway, we'll see you guys out at the next car show, wherever and whenever that may be.